Cogito Debate is happy to announce the beginning of our online summer camp. From June 8th till July 31st, our specially designed programs will provide your student with the tools they need to become a more effective communicator, proficient in researching topics, peer collaboration, and information organization. Our experienced coaches are trained in best practices of educating students and have made the transition to remote learning by creating an engaging and stimulating online learning environment. Students who complete our summer program will become better critical thinkers who are able to communicate and collaborate with their peers to creatively analyze current events that impact their communities. Our weekly Junior Speakers program focuses on engaging students with speech and debate using current event topics. For middle and high school students, we offer 3-day, 3-hour workshops that are designed to support students learning not only speech and debate skills, but on how to apply those skills to real-life career choices. Students will also have the opportunity to enroll in a debate boot camp to prepare for the 2020-2021 speech and debate tournament season. Enroll online today at cogitodebate.com and allow Cogito Debate to prepare your student for personal and educational success.